Hi, in this video I will derive expressions for alpha and beta. Alpha is attenuation constant and beta is phase shift constant. We can derive this alpha and beta by using wave equation. We know that wave equation is given by wave equation is given by del square E equal to j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon into E. This is the wave equation, or else this can be written as what? Gamma square into E, where gamma equal to what? Where gamma square equal to what? J omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon. Simply this gamma square is replaced with this part. But gamma equal to what? Alpha plus j beta. Gamma equal to alpha plus j beta. So as gamma is alpha plus j beta, substitute gamma as alpha plus j beta in this one, equal to what? J into omega into mu sigma, j into j, that is j square means minus 1. So that is minus 1 into this omega into omega square mu epsilon. J into j square, that is minus 1. So that's why we got what? Omega square mu epsilon. Now let us simplify this one. We will get what? That is alpha square, it is a plus b whole square form. A square plus j beta whole square, j square means minus, j beta whole square means minus beta square, plus j into 2 alpha beta, or else 2 into alpha j beta. I want to write this one as what? Some real term and imaginary, because on right hand side I have what? Real and imaginary. So that's why we can write j omega mu sigma minus omega square mu into epsilon. Now by equating the similar terms, we will get, by equating real and imaginary terms, what is the real term on left hand side? That is alpha square minus beta square is the real term. That is equal to, on right hand side what we have? That is the right hand side real term is minus omega square mu epsilon. Let us take this as equation 1. Next go for what? That is imaginary term is what? 2 into alpha beta, that equal to what? Minus, j omega, imaginary term on right hand side is omega into mu sigma. Now what you required? Alpha and beta. Here I have alpha square minus beta square, means what? If you know alpha square plus beta square, I can, by adding that alpha square plus beta square and alpha square minus beta square, means by adding and subtracting we will get alpha and beta expressions. Means in order to get this alpha and beta we require what? Alpha square plus beta square. Now we can write alpha square, we can write alpha square plus beta square whole square equal to what? This is a square plus b square whole square is nothing but what? A minus b square. We have this one, that is a minus b whole square, plus 4 into ab, that is a is what? A plus b whole square is nothing but what? In terms of a minus b whole square, that is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. What is a? Alpha square plus beta, that is alpha square beta square. A is alpha square. If I simplify this one, I will get what? Alpha square plus whole square, that is alpha square whole square plus beta square whole square, minus 2 into alpha square plus beta square plus 4 alpha square plus beta square, means what? 2 into alpha square plus beta square is nothing but this one only. If you simplify this one, we will get this one only. We have what? Alpha square minus beta square. Alpha square minus beta square is nothing but what? Minus omega square mu epsilon whole square, means what? Or else write like this. This is 4 alpha square plus beta square. 2 alpha beta is nothing but, if I apply square on both sides, I will get what? 2 alpha beta whole square is nothing but 4 alpha square beta square, means it is nothing but what? Omega square mu square sigma square. From this one only, 2 alpha beta means if I apply square on both sides, I will get on left hand side 4 alpha square beta square, that equal to what? Omega square mu square sigma square. Now again simplify this, you will get what? That is omega to the power 4 mu square epsilon square omega square mu square sigma square. Now let us take omega to the power 4 as this term, first term as common, omega to the power 4 mu square epsilon square. If I take this one as common, I will get remaining term as what? 1 plus. Okay, here I have omega square, but I have taken omega to the power 4, means 1 by omega square. Omega to the power 4 by omega square gives this omega square, and mu square is taken as common. Here additional term is what? Sigma square. But here I have what? This is omega square, omega to the power 4 by omega square gives omega square into sigma square. Additionally I require this is mu square, and here epsilon square. So if this one is multiplied by this one, I will get this one only, omega square mu square sigma square. Omega to the power 4 by omega square into mu square, omega square mu square sigma square. This epsilon square cancelled out, gives this term only. Okay, this is what? Alpha square plus beta square whole square. Alpha square plus beta square whole square. But what we required in order to get the alpha and beta, we require initially alpha square plus beta square, as you have alpha square minus beta square. So that equal to what? Apply square root on both sides, you will get what? That is under root omega square mu epsilon, frequency is the positive and mu and epsilon are also positive values. That's why basically if you apply square root on both sides, we will get what? Plus or minus. But here we will get what? That is under root omega square mu into epsilon, root of this one, omega square mu epsilon, under root 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square. We can write like this also. This is what? Alpha square plus beta square. This is what? Alpha square plus beta square. Let us take this as equation 2. Now go for what? 1 plus 2. That is, if I add equation 1 and equation 2, that gives what? 1 plus 2 gives. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 plus equation 2 gives. Equation 1 is this one, alpha square minus beta square plus alpha square plus beta square minus beta square cancelled out. On left hand side we will get what? 2 alpha square. And we are adding these two terms, this one plus this one, means first term is what? Omega square mu epsilon into under root 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square plus this term. So this is added like this, that is omega square mu epsilon. Again we can take omega square mu epsilon as common. Remaining term is what? That is under root 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. This root is up to this part only. Next we will go for what? Alpha. From this I can write alpha. Of course it is plus or minus, but it is always positive. Alpha is attenuation constant, that is positive only. So then we can take what? Root of this one, that is 1 by 2. Alpha square is what? 1 by 2 of this part, 1 by 2 into this part. Alpha means what? Root of that thing, that is omega. Root of omega square is this one, and root of mu by epsilon 2 under root. So root is applied to this part, that is 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. Okay. So this is about alpha. Next, if I subtract this one from this 2, that is 2 minus 1 gives, equation 2 minus 1 gives, what is that? Beta equal to 2 minus 1 gives beta equal to what? Omega under root, or else let us take this part like this, that is root over mu into epsilon 2 omega under root mu by epsilon 2 root okay into 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square. In the previous case it is minus 1, now it is plus 1. Okay. So this is the expression for alpha and this is the expression for beta. I will write that expressions here itself. Omega alpha is written as what? Omega into under root mu epsilon by 2 into 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon whole square minus 1. This root is up to this part, and beta is what? Omega into under root mu epsilon by 2 into 1 by sigma by omega epsilon whole square plus 1 plus 1. So this is about alpha and beta expressions. In next class we will discuss about the characteristics of the wave, or else characteristics of wave in good conductors, good dielectrics and free space. Characteristics of wave in free space, good conductor and good dielectric.